my name is Terry Lee from the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and I also have the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel. I'm taking part in a video collaboration called May You Be Inspired By, with the same hashtag, which is all about sharing the collaboration of creators and artists' experiences and starting out in the hobby of junk journaling and giving new creators a few tips. Yes, I have notes of pieces of advice they might find useful. The collaboration is being put together by Mandy of Sunflowers and Doors and Justine from House of Mahalo from the Junk Journal Ideas and Inspirations Facebook group. But there are a lot of other Facebook groups involved, and I think there was 29 the last time that I counted, and there probably will be more before the sign up or lineup is done. To follow along, all the videos are going to be in a playlist, and that way for easy viewing. And you can find the link in the text below this video. And of my notes here, I'm going to make a PDF out of them, and you'll be able to download that free from the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. I don't have any other way to get it to you, or I would get it to you for free, wherever. The list will be updated daily for you to see the newest artist video. And you really don't want to miss a single day, because you never know who's going to come along and join the collaboration. It might be somebody you know. So first, a little bit about me. I started crafting in elementary school and on through high school, and I ended up in drafting class. So I kind of started out drawing. My hands were cold. And then I took a 40-year break until I came across a YouTube video on junk journaling. I then watched about 200 videos before I got up the nerve to start. And of course, I was collecting supplies the whole time, just like, you do. And once I got started, though, and I made my first folio, then I was hooked. I started making videos after about 3 months, and I now make junk journals, manila folder folios, books, journals. If I can find a video that tells me how to do it and I like it, then I will figure out a way to make it my own. That's for sure. I film YouTube videos too. Like I said before, I have almost 700 of them published now under the Sweet Pea Papers name. So you too can do anything that you set your mind to. You haven't made a journal yet, but then you could start out making a journal and then end up having your own YouTube channel, if that's what your goal is. You know what I mean? So here are my here are my top 5 tips for you. Start out organized. I know it's me, it's Terry. I'm a crazy person for being organized, but it will help you. If you're using digital kits from Etsy or anywhere else, keep your files stored in such a manner that they are easily found. I store mine in an Etsy folder on my computer. Then inside that folder is a folder for each shop. And then inside that shop's folder, there's a folder for each kit. It may sound nuts, but it's really easy to do. If you start doing it from when you start downloading, then you'll always be able to find them. Similarly, organize your work area in a way that's comfortable for you. If you're like me and everything must be just so, then that's great. That's fine. If you work better in organized chaos, that's great too. The key is to spend less time looking and more time crafting. Okay? You don't want to look around all day or spend 2 hours on your computer trying to find that kit that you just know that you got from XYZ place. Just look under XYZ place and it'll be right there. Keep learning, but don't get stuck in the YouTube trap again, because I know you've already watched 100 million videos. So don't get sucked back into only watching videos and not crafting. Number 3, don't get discouraged, just practice. No one's first journals could have been sold on Etsy or given as gifts. You don't have to make a masterpiece, just make something, anything. Also, on a side note, don't listen to discouraging people. Everyone's tastes are different. For example, Everyone doesn't like or even get a book or like every single movie together all at the same time. It's all subjective. So if one person says, I don't get that, I don't know what that is, what are you doing? You know what I mean? Then that's okay. It's all right. Just keep going. And then and that's not my last tip. Number 4 is don't judge your work against other people's work. Everyone is unique. Every journal is unique. Everyone is at a different experience level. And it wouldn't be helpful to compare your work against someone who's got 10 years experience, because that's just not going to be helpful to you. Instead, use it as a learning experience. Watch their flip throughs, see what they did, see what materials they picked, maybe some of the choices that they made of why they did what they did, things like that. And the very last tip that I have for you is to have fun. Even when you start making your journals, if you don't enjoy what you're doing, switch to something else for a few hours or a few days. Spend some time making collages or master boards, switch to making folios for making a journal, make some ephemera, something, anything, but just keep your mind off that journal that you're stuck on. Put it away, get it out, look at it with fresh eyes, and then start over again. Or pick up where you got back, where you left off. You got to get your mojo back before you can go back to the journal. Okay, those are the top 5 tips that I have for you, and I hope they help you in your junk journaling journey. Make sure to keep watching every day this month for new informative and fun video from other great artists. See the daily posts in the Junk Journal Ideas and Inspiration Facebook group. The link will be below. And the updated daily playlist, the link will be below for that as well for more great content. Sign up to the Junk Journal Inspiration and Idea Facebook group if you're not a member yet, so you don't miss out on any of the amazing videos. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to all the wonderful creators' YouTube channels. It's time for me to say goodbye, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.